Okay, I wanted to do this example to show you how somebody might do it differently and get a different answer. So if we're asking you to do a vertical translation up 6 and then with a vertical stretch by a factor of 2, the assumption is that we're doing this first and then we're going to do this one second. So watch what happens if we do a vertical translation up 6 means it's f of x plus 6. And when we actually perform that on the function above, that would give us the absolute value of x plus 4 plus 3, and then we want to add 6 because we want to move it up 6. So when we simplify that expression, we get x plus 4 plus 9, right? And then when we do the vertical stretch is going to be twice the function, right? So we want to multiply 2 by that original function. So when we multiply by 2 to that this original function, not the original function, but where we left off, right? So that's going to be where we left off was here, and then we're going to multiply that by 2. And so when we actually do that, that's going to give us 2 absolute value x plus 4 plus 18. So that's what this person gets, right? Oops. Clean that up a little bit. But someone else on their homework thought, well, why can't we just do it all at once? So they were like, well, if you're going up 6 and then you're multiplying by 2, why couldn't you just do that to the whole entire thing? Like, wouldn't that be faster to do that? So if we did that, doesn't this say we're multiplying 2 times the entire function? So that would be, so I'm going to emphasize that, right? We're going to multiply 2 times the entire function. So the entire function was absolute value x plus 4 plus 3. And then when we actually do that, that gives us, and then we're going to add 6 to the end. So I guess I'll do that in yellow, right? I'll add 6 to move it up. And then when we actually work that out, let's see what we get. So we distribute this. That gives me 2 times the absolute value x plus 4. And then 2 times 3 is 6. And then we still have that add 6 sitting out there, right? Then we still have this add 6. When we simplify that, we get, and notice that the two answers are not the same. That's the reason why you have to do it one at a time. So when you're given words, you can't combine them and do them simultaneously, because I guess the assumption is that we're doing a vertical translation up 6 and then we're doing a vertical stretch by a factor of 2. So you really need to do them one at a time. You need to do them one at a time. Otherwise, you will get a different answer. So I hope that explains why we should not do it this way, right? We should not do it this way. This is the way we should be doing it, one at a time. I hope this helps.